Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about skincare and why it is so important to take care of your skin. One of the things that people ask me a lot are, what do you use to moisturize, to cleanse your skin, to remove your makeup? Now, my skincare regimen isn't very big. Believe it or not, there aren't a whole lot of products that go into making my skin look nice. So there's a big controversy on how many times a day you should really wash your face. A lot of people think, oh, I'm gonna wash my face at night, go to bed, and it's still clean in the morning. Not necessarily, because at night you can drool and the bacteria from your saliva can get onto your skin. The oils in your hair can get into your skin and eyes. There's a lot of things that go on during the night where it is causing impurities to affect your face. So you really do want to wash your face when you wake up in the morning. Get rid of anything that was on there that might have caught up with you at night and start clean and fresh again. And that is what I do. I wash my face diligently every night and I wash it diligently every morning because I want to give my skin the best chance it has to keep looking the way I want it to look. I don't want to give myself an opportunity to get pimples. I don't want to give myself the opportunity to have my rosacea flare up or do anything that I shouldn't do that could cause my skin not to look its best. Some people will even go as far as to say, I only wash my face in the morning. I don't wash off my makeup at night. A lot of people tell me that they don't wash their makeup off at night. And I really stress to them that they should remove that makeup at night because makeup will cause your pores to be clogged and it will cause pimples. We want to prevent as much things as possible as to why it really is important to wash your face day and night. When I am looking at moisturizers and cleansers, that I choose ones that are going to benefit the fact that I have some dry and some oiliness to my skin. Now, with that said, the type of, I actually have a couple different face cleansers that I use. This one is Soap and Glory's Face Soap and Clarity. It is their 3-in-1 daily detox. It has vitamin C. It's a face wash. It does help purify and clarify the skin. This is for all skin types. So, and let me tell you, my skin is so clean after I put this on. You can just feel it. I do use this after I've taken off my makeup, and I will talk about how I remove my makeup and what type of products I use to remove my makeup in another video. But I do take off my makeup and then clean my skin. Some products you don't have to do that with, but I choose to do it that way just because I, again, want to give my skin the best chance to stay nice that I possibly can. So this is one of the products I use, and as you can see, it is almost empty. Another one that I really enjoy, and this is for normal to combination skin. It is Burt's Bees Gentle Foaming Cleanser. This gently removes all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup, so you can use this to remove makeup as well as clean your skin. Again, I do like using another product to remove my makeup, and then I use this to make sure my skin is nice and clean. Now on to moisturizers. Right now I'm using the Soap and Glory, the Righteous Butter. This is such a wonderful moisturizer. It smells so good and it is nice and thick. I also use this on my elbows because it helps keep my elbows from drying out. I don't know why my elbows are real dry, but they are. But I use this every day, every morning, every night on my face, and it keeps my face completely moisturized. I have not had an issue with dry skin since I've been using this. I've had this for months. A little goes a long way. And this is a great purchase. Again, this is Soap and Glory's The Righteous Butter Moisturizer. Another product that I use is this Debuffing eye gel. In the morning when I wake up, my eyes are a little puffy, and I put this on, and within minutes you can see a drastic change in the puffiness of my eyes. And this is by Julep, and it's called So Awake Debuffing Gel Eye Cream. It looks like this when you take it off. It has that little top to it, and the gel comes out the little hole up top, and you just smooth it on under your eyes, and it does depuff your eyes within minutes. You will notice a big difference. Another product I use because I am over 35, and I have started to notice some fine lines and wrinkles, and I wanted a cream to kind of firm up the under eye as well. So I use this Derma Firming Eye Lift cream, and it does, you can almost instantly when you put this stuff on, you can kind of feel it tighten up. I love this stuff. Again, it is Derma Ease Firming Cream. Another thing that I use quite often are sheet masks. I absolutely love sheet masks. I think everyone should use them. You can buy sheet masks that will specifically target what you are looking for. Like this one is for soothing, this one's for soothing, this one's for brightening, and they each have different aspects to them that will help you achieve what you're trying to look within your, or help you achieve the skin look that you are going for. So I do use these about 2 or 3 times a week. I love face masks. I think everyone should do this. I think you will be surprised at what your skin looks and feels like after you're done using one of these. Okay, another type of mask that I use are under the eye masks. Now these are specific masks that just go under the eyes. So if you don't want to spend the money on something like this, a firming eye cream, these are actually a lot cheaper, and they do just as good a job as that lotion right there. So I do these at least once a week to just help the under eye area. Now this I use a tiny bit every single day, but these I do about once a week. You can do them more often if you like, but I really think these are wonderful. They help depuff the under eye, they help firm it up, they help brighten it. These are wonderful. Highly recommend under eye masks as well. So those are the products I use. I know it's not a lot, but I get the results that I want. So if you'd like me to do more of these types of videos, let me know in the comments below. If there's a product out there that you would like me to try and do a review on, again, let me know and I will be sure to do that. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the little bell to be notified of all of my future videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.